Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how to add a bank account to Skrill. So let's get started. First, open the Skrill app on your smartphone or go to the official Skrill website using your browser. Make sure you are logged into your account. Once you're inside, navigate to the Withdraw section. Here, you'll see different options for withdrawing your funds. Now, select the Bank Account option and click on Withdraw Now to continue. If you haven't added a bank account yet, Skrill will prompt you to enter your bank details. Carefully fill in your information, including your account number, bank name, and any additional details required, such as SWIFT or IBAN codes for international transfers. Make sure to double-check all the details to avoid any errors. Once everything is correct, tap on Save. Skrill will securely link your bank account to your profile. After that, you can easily withdraw money directly to your bank whenever you need. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.